Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to give few points about the Yesbank, which is oscillating in a news related to the CEO Rana Kapoor. Before going to the details about the Yesbank and how the stock is going to oscillate, how the stock is going to give you profits in certain levels, I would like to say a few points about the trading tips platforms from Bull Street operated by WhatsApp. One is known as the SuperFans option, in which we give low budget option trading tips. Low budget option trading tips means a sum of 10,000 rupees can be used as a working capital to take around 2 lots, 3 lots, sometimes 4 lots in stock options. Such a low priced option trading tips is given in the live market with entry and target. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. Same way, we also give trading tips in equity for safe trading for equity investors. Two kinds of trading tips will be given in equity. One is highly speculative moving scripts and operated calls in equity will be given, and another one is investment based trading calls will also be given. So the subscription to join Superfans equity is also 7,999 per month. And another one is Superfans penny, in which we give penny stocks in equity in the price range of 5 paise to 20 rupees, sometimes rarely up to 30 rupees. These stocks need not be trading. Buy these stocks and stay invested for few years and make a great fortune for you and your family. You can remit the subscription by Google Pay, GPay or Phone Pay or Amazon Pay or Paytm to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. We have only one WhatsApp number, one Bull Street, one Vijay. Because why I'm saying this? Because few fake people are using our name and using our name Bull Street. Bull Street is our brand name, our company name, using this name and collecting money from innocent investors. One lady is collecting money from innocent investors through Telegram, and the name of the lady is Bhushan Misra, I think so. And another four young chaps, they created a fake channel in Telegram using our name. They also collecting money. So beware of such fake people. Don't get trapped in fake people and Telegram, because we do not have any trading tips activities. We do not have any premium group. We do not have any VIP group in Telegram. All of our trading tips will be only through WhatsApp and the blog site. Okay, now we go to the video. This Yesbank, the promoter, the CEO, Mr. Rana Kapoor, has a very good news from the government side. The SEBI has recently defreezed the shares and mutual funds and other investments done by Rana Kapoor. So this is a great news for speculators and operators in the market with respect to the Yesbank stock. This Rana Kapoor, even now he is in custody. He had the setback in the month of March 2020, and in September 2020 also SEBI imposed a fine penalty of 1 crore rupees for non-disclosure of Morgan Credit, who is the promoter in the Yesbank. So everything is going to be clear. I think the wind is moving in favor of Rana Kapoor, the CEO. If that is the case, the stock will make an upside movement, or otherwise speculators and operators may drag down the stock to lower level and they accumulate the stock and they will make the stock to move up. Recently the stock closed at a price of 10 rupees 95 paise, let us say 10 rupees or 11 rupees. And in my prediction, the stock may go to the upper side up to 15 rupees 55 paise. So this is an upper side level, and immediate upper side, if there is any high speculation moving around the script, it may reach to 12 rupees 50 paise immediately. And if there is any setback or if there is any negative movement in the stock is not hesitate to come down to 8 rupees 50 paise. And if there is any adverse situation like what happened in the case of Lakshmi Vilas Bank, the merger with the DBS, like if there is any such action taken on this Yesbank, already Yesbank is backed by SBI support. If there is any such kind of similar action take place in Yesbank, the promoter, the deposit holders will have their money, so no doubt of it. But only thing is the shareholders shares will vanish away. The share price will become absolute zero. So beware of this Yesbank stock. This Yesbank stock is a trading stock, not an investment stock. So don't expect this Yesbank will make a great magic like what IndusInd Bank done in years. So this is about the Yesbank. Take this stock in your watch list and watch the stock, watch the movement of the stock, travel along the stock, trade with the price gap of 50 paise up to 1 rupees and do multiple trading. Try to make profit out of this Yesbank. So this is my personal opinion. Disclaimer is apply. So join this SuperFans option. The subscription is 7,999 per month. If you are a big trader or HNI investor, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, in which we give double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, and jackpot trading, occasional jackpot trading tips. Recently, we gave one particular recommendation that Bajaj Finserv 16,500 at a price of just 15 rupees. It went to 372 level. So this made a multiplication of around 24 times of the investment. The investment got multiplied by 24 times. Such kind of occasional jackpot trading tips will be given in the Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. So if you are a big investor or HNI investor or a matured investor having a few lakhs working capital or just above 50k, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino. The subscription level is high, the return is very high. So watch this channel and give your support. Subscribe Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. Otherwise, you can, if you are a retail investor, you can subscribe to SuperFans option. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.